Hi, good afternoon. How are you today?
Hello, I'm fine.
Okay, now can you please tell me about your present job?
As of now, I'm working as a sales lady at Abu Dhabi Mall, Bikiri. Uh, my my work there is in the morning. I packing all bread and then I arrange in the respective areas, and then after I arrange all the bread. If there is customer, I will assist them and then give what they want.
Okay, good. And by the way, what is the main reason why you decided not to continue to work with them? I mean, in that bakery.
No, because in my job as of now, my salary is not enough for me. That's why I want to find another job that uh, to find a big little salary.
I mean, did you ask them to increase your salary?
Yeah, they asked me, but little only, not enough for my needs.
Okay, so since you're looking for a new job because of that reason, how much would be the minimum salary you'd ask this time?
No, my expected salary will be 2,000. Yeah.
Okay. And what do you like to do most in the house? Cleaning, cooking, or babysitting?
Yeah, all of that I love. I
Mm-hmm.
want to care kids. I love cleaning in a house, and I love also cooking. Yeah, because I have experience of domestic helper before 2 years in Kuwait, and I finished contract. Yeah.
Okay, good. So what type of food can you cook?
No, I can cook Filipino food, and also I can cook Arabic food, and I am willing to learn how to cook American food.
Okay, great. And just a little bit of knowledge about cleaning. What particular products do you use to clean a toilet?
Uh, Toilet, Dettol, it's very nice product. Yeah, Dettol. And also in washing dishes, Fairy, I like Fairy.
Okay, good. And in babysitting, how do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food?
I will try to play the baby if they will not eat too much to convince to finish the eating. So I will play to them so that they can eating while playing.
Mm,
I will try find a way so that the baby will eat.
okay, great. And what is your hobby?
My hobby. I have not a lot of hobby, but sometimes I'm singing and yeah, reading.
Singing and reading. Okay. And how long do you want to work here in UAE?
Oh, my plan is as long as my employer are nice to me, I will work to them. Yeah.
Okay. So do you think you will be a good helper to your new employer and why?
Yeah, I'm assured that I am a good helper to my employer because I am a hardworking, I am uh, trustworthy, and easy to learn. Yeah.
Mm. Okay, great. I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.